Today we are going to learn about cell protection and how to protect cells in Google Sheets. Cell protection is used to restrict certain people from editing specific cells, cell ranges, or entire sheets within a shared document. This will allow you to maintain certain parts of a Google Sheet off limits from other people in order to keep important data safe. So, how do you use cell protection? The first step is to click on the Data tab located at the top of your screen. Then, select Protected Sheets and Ranges. A menu will appear at the right-hand side of your screen. Here, give your protected range a name. Then, click on the green square and select your desired range. Now, click OK and set permissions. A menu will appear with two options. Select the second one, Restrict who can edit this range. A list of all the people the document is shared with will appear at the center of your screen. Remove the checkmark from anyone who you wish to restrict and click Done. You have now successfully protected a range. Another option you have is to protect an entire sheet. To do so, follow the same steps as before. Click on the Data tab, Protected Sheets and Ranges, and now, instead of selecting Range, select the Sheet option. Here, a drop-down menu will appear and you will select the sheet you wish to protect. Once you've done so, click on Set Permission. The same menu as before will appear. Once again, select the second option and remove the checkmark from anyone who you wish to restrict. Once you've done this, click Done, and you have now successfully protected an entire sheet. This tool is powerful because you may have documents which contain valuable data shared with large amounts of people. In order to keep your data safe and prevent it from being manipulated either deliberately or accidentally while still allowing other edits to be made on the document, you can use cell protection, which is why this is a powerful tool. And that's how you spreadsheet like a pro.